about physics wallah. There has been an enormous pressure put on me by hundreds of you to participate in physics wallah platform, to collaborate with Alec Pendy, who is running it. And it isn't clear to me what that would be, what that would accomplish. You're lucky in India. You have HC Verma of the IIT in Kanpur. He's retired now, but he has a famous book. Most of you love him and his book. I gave a lecture at IIT Kanpur in 2014. I didn't meet him, he wasn't there. I think he was already retired. So you have Verma, and then you have Physics Wallah platform. There are live classes, there are video lectures, there are tests, there are exams. Physics Wallah, the way I understand it, in a way prepares you for the JEE exams and for the NEET exams. So you're lucky that you have someone as competent as Alec Pendy. Not only do you have Verma and Physics Wallah, but you also have me. Yeah, I may not be as famous as Verma is in India, and I may not be as famous as Physics Wallah is in India, but I have 800,000 subs. Do you want me to collaborate with Physics Wallah platform? Alec Pendy has never approached me. That would be the first thing that you would expect. He never did that. I never approached him. Why should I? Verma and Physics Wallah and Walter Lewin stand on their own. Physics Wallah has access to all my lectures, to all my problems, to all my solutions, to all my exams. You both are very successful. And we should leave it like that. Now, if Alec Pendy approaches me with a specific proposal, I would consider that. There's no need for me to give one lecture for his platform. I would give a lecture to my platform, and he can link to that. I have no problems with that. He can link to all my lectures. No problems with that. So relax. Enjoy Verma. Enjoy Physics platform. And enjoy Walter Lewin. And have a nice day. And take care. And be friends with Verma. Be friends with Alec Pendy. And of course, that goes without saying, all of you are my friends. To avoid any misunderstanding, if Alec Pendy approaches me in person and makes a specific proposal, I will consider that proposal.